What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Now I know I said the next video that I'm gonna post is gonna be cleaning the Civic, but I thought before that I'm gonna make a video telling you and showing you what's the future plans for the Em1, also what's the future repairs for the Em1, because the repairs are more important at this stage. So a few things. Let's start on the interior. Okay, so first thing that has to go from this car is this worn out, ugly looking steering wheel. It's seen its better days and it really needs to go. Also the clocks, I hate the European style clocks. I have an Integra Type R clocks going into the car. They're all the stuff is in the bag, boys, ready to go in the boxes. But the clocks, I really don't like the way they look, so they're gonna be changed out. Also the dash, boys, the plan is to change out the dash from the EK to the EK9 Type R, the EK9 center dash. If you don't know, the coupes and the hatches, the non-Type R come with a grey, kind of grey looking leather. Anyway, the EK9 Type R comes with a black, which is better looking in my opinion, and the center console as well. I'll try and get the doubled in center console. I have something more fresher in the middle. Also the door cards are gonna be changed out to match the seats. It's really, I have everything you'll ever want in this car. It's like a little storage space. But the door cards are gonna be changed to match the seats. I have them in the shed waiting to be put on as well. Also guys, I'm planning on painting the headliner maybe. I don't know if it's really possible, but I'm gonna have to do some research on it maybe. But I really don't like how I don't know what you call this really light gray color looks. On my E46 I had it black and I really like how it looks. It gives it this really different feel inside the cabin, and I think it would look a lot cleaner than silver. This needs to be cleaned anyways, but I think if it was black comparing it to this really light gray, it would look a lot better. So one of the repairs I have to do is to fix this window regulator. Now it goes down no problems, but then on the way up it gets stuck around here, and then it will just like, the motor will spin, but that window wouldn't get it wouldn't move up, so you have to like pull it up and then it will catch it. So probably the window regulator needs to be replaced, so I'm gonna have to take care of that. Okay, so the interior is not too bad, guys. There's only a little few things wrong with it. Obviously it needs a proper clean, which we will do. Subscribe, guys, subscribe. But apart from that, the window regulator needs to be fixed. We're gonna change out the dash for a Type R Civic dash. Other than that, it's in good. The interior is in good shape and it's not too bad. Now let's move on to the engine bay. All right, lads. So here's where most of our money is gonna be going. The main things is obviously setting the timing on because I replaced the distributor, so the timing needs to be adjusted. What else? Obviously a general cleanup of the engine bay, replace the filter, paint over a few bits, make it look presentable. Obviously I don't know what needs to be replaced, like what parts went wrong over 2 years that the car was off the road. Stupid plane. I can see a few leaks over there. I think something's wrong with the VTEC solenoid as well, because I remember the last few days I had it, the VTEC wouldn't really engage as hard as it usually would, so I'm guessing something is clunked up there. The valve cover gasket is going to be needing a nice paint job, because look at this. Obviously a major service, all the filters, timing belt probably needs to be done, water pump, change all the fluids. Guys, big job, but we'll get there. next bit would be to replace the front bumper, guys. See the two fog lights? The previous owner decided to do some kind of a, I don't know, pre-facelift fog light job, and he put those fucking, I don't know what, can you even call them fog lights? Shit, they are. But anyways, when he was putting in the fog lights, he ripped out the little mesh that goes in between. So, and I really don't like the way that looks. So the fog lights are gonna be coming out of the car. If anybody wants them, hit me up, I'll give them away for free. They still work. And also I'm probably gonna be needing a brand new bumper. So new bumper, we're gonna, if we get the same color, fantastic. If not, I'm gonna try and spray paint it myself for the first time. So a lot of few little touch-up, guys, are gonna be done to the Civic. If you're interested, come on guys, subscribe, let's get to 1,000 subs. Also, another thing I'm gonna be needing is we're gonna need to restore these headlights. The clear coat started to peeling off from both of them, so I'm gonna be doing a little DIY restoration thing on them, so stay tuned. Like I said, boys, a lot of stuff, a lot of money gonna be going in the front of the car. Another thing is, I'll show you now. I don't know if the light catches it well, but the front wing is dented. Now this one is not too bad, but this one is. I know, I'm pretty sure you can clearly see that one. So 2 new wings, 2 bumper, and an OEM fog light kit for the facelift, guys. I don't know what he was doing with those fog lights, really. Now, since I showed you this side of this car, as you can see, this wheel is different to the other ones. Okay, so the other dished wheel is in my room. I mean, it's not in my room, it's in the car, but I was planning on repolishing it. It's a long story, I might tell you in another video, but anyways, I have the OEM Em1 wheels, and they're gonna be stripped from the white paint, and we're gonna be polishing them. You know, you guys, if you guys know, the Em1 OEM wheels come with like a machined, polished look to it, and I really like it. So we're gonna be putting all the original wheels on it, and we're gonna do the NCT test. But before, we're gonna strip the white paint off it and make them look mint, guys. And probably another thing that's gonna be needing replacement are the brake calipers. I mean, not the brake calipers, the brake discs and the pads. I don't know if you can see that, but oh yes, they're rusted pretty badly, guys. I mean, holy shit, 2 years no driving, guys, so it's to be expected. So they're probably gonna be needing a replacement. Another thing is I'm gonna be needing new mirrors. If not just the mirror itself, I'm planning on getting the USDM side mirrors. I think just look cool, and since we're here in Ireland, the car would stand out more from the rest of the Civic, so I think it would be cool if I get the USDM ones. Moving towards the back, guys, I'm gonna be changing the whole exhaust system out. The one that came with the car when I bought it, I mean, it's okay, but it's not the greatest. I have a Skunk 2 back box, a cat back, in the shed ready to go on the car. I have few parts ready to go on the car, but you know, we just need to get the hand out, boys. Slowly but surely we're gonna get there. I know she might be looking clean, but she hasn't been washed, guys, for over 2 years. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Definitely over here you can see, and over there. Big. On the boot is the worst. Like you can see grass growing on it and stuff. So another thing on the back here, guys, is I want to change the way the back lights come on the car. On the European cars, or at least in Ireland, in UK I guess, when you turn on the lights, only the outside part of the light comes on. And I want to make it look like the JDM. I know in the US, both of them light up as well, and I think it looks much more better, cleaner. So we're gonna change the way the backlights light up as well, make it look JDM. It's getting dark, guys, it's getting cold, so I'm gonna wrap up the video. But look how good she looks. She's a pretty car. That's just the repairs and mods I'm planning to do to my car, just off the top of my head. But guys, follow this story, follow this build, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000. Let's get some revenue after these videos, put some more mods. Who knows, maybe a big turbo coming soon. But that's it for now, guys. I'll see you all in the next video when I start cleaning the car. So peace.